This International Harvester AS148 truck is a genuine example of a historic international truck sold in Australia. A Melbourne-based subsidiary, the International Harvester Company of Australia, was established in 1912 to manage Australian distribution and sales of international harvester products. With branch offices interstate, capital cities and a network of 550 dealers by the late 1940s, International Harvester became a major competitor to local manufacturers like H.V. Mackay's Sunshine Harvester Works. In response to restrictive government import tariffs, International Harvester established its own Australian manufacturing operations, opening factories at Geelong in 1937 to produce agricultural equipment and later tractors at Dandenong in 1952 to produce motor trucks, and at Port Melbourne in 1958.